explore ways to effectively remove and avoid blackheads, although found mostly on the face. Blackheads are blemishes that can appear on any area of your body. They may look like dirt stuck in your skin, but there's actually more to them than you may think. They appear black due to oxidation, a process that occurs when the pores become clogged with dirt and get exposed to air. Brightside created a guide on how you can easily get rid of these pesky little spots from your skin and get the unblemished look you've always wanted. Read till the end to learn how you can keep these blackheads at bay. Cleansing: use an egg white mask. Remove the yolks from 2 eggs and gently apply the egg whites to your face so as to form a thin layer. Leave the mask on for 2 minutes or until it dries. Once it does, apply a second layer of the egg whites. Leave the mask on your face for 20 minutes. Use warm water to rinse the whites off your face. Egg whites help tighten the pores and pull out any clogged dirt, giving you smooth, blackhead-free skin. Use honey and cinnamon. Mix half a teaspoon of cinnamon with a tablespoon of honey. Apply this mixture by rubbing it over your face in a circular motion. Keep rubbing for about 3 minutes. While cinnamon acts as a scrub, honey works to pull out dirt from the open pores and also acts as a natural antibiotic. Use fenugreek paste. Form a paste by blending fenugreek with water and dab it over your face. Let it sit for 10 minutes before rinsing it off with cold water. Exfoliating: lemon, yogurt, honey, and salt exfoliant. Create a scrub by mixing lemon juice, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of yogurt, and a bit of honey. Apply the scrub using a circular motion over the blackhead-prone areas of your face. Keep rubbing for about 3 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Milk and nutmeg scrub. Mix 2 tablespoons of milk, particularly buttermilk, with enough nutmeg powder to create a paste. Apply this mixture to your face while gently scrubbing to remove all the grime buried deep in your pores. Keep scrubbing for 3 minutes before washing it off with warm water. The scrubbing effects of the nutmeg granules combined with skin-nourishing milk will leave you with unblemished and nourished skin. Use baking soda exfoliant. Baking soda is readily available in most kitchens. To make this exfoliant, just add baking soda to water to create a paste. Gently scrub your face in a circular motion with this paste for about 5 minutes and then rinse. After scrubbing your face, you can also let the paste stay over your face for about 10 minutes before washing it off with water. Baking soda is a natural cleanser, and the fine grain of the powder clears away dead skin cells. Chemical treatments use a retinoid cream. These creams are rich in vitamin A, thereby aiding in skin growth and preventing oil buildup on the skin. It's recommended to use it 2-3 times a week. Use blackhead removing strips. One of the easiest methods to remove blackheads is to use these strips. These strips contain an ultra-sticky solution that dries when it comes in contact with your face. Wait 15 minutes for the strips to dry, and then pull it off quickly to pull out your blackheads. It is recommended that you follow one of the aforementioned cleansing routines before using these strips. Try salicylic acid-based facial gel. Apply a thin layer of the gel over the affected area and let it dry for 30 minutes. Rinse it off using lukewarm water. Salicylic acid dissolves dead skin, oil, and dirt to give you blackhead-free skin. Other methods use a Kumdoni extractor. After cleansing your face, place the loop of the Kumdoni extractor over the blackhead. Apply a bit of pressure and pull the tool down. This should make the blackhead pop out of the pore. Remember not to press too hard as it may damage your skin. After removing the blackheads, remember to thoroughly clean your face in the tool. Pop your blackheads. Start by cleansing and exfoliating your skin. Then, apply an astringent to the affected region. Use cotton balls to gently squeeze on both sides of the blackhead to extract it. After popping the blackhead, wash your skin with water and use the astringent once more. Bonus: how to avoid blackheads. Keep your skin clean. Wash your skin regularly using lukewarm water to remove excess dirt and oil. This will help prevent pores from clogging. Cleansers with a neutral pH or those containing salicylic acid should be used as they help keep the pores clean and prevent breakouts. Remove makeup before going to bed. Going to bed with makeup can cause your pores to clog. Always remove your makeup using a gentle cleanser or makeup remover before going to sleep. Shower after performing physical activities. Sweating can lead to excess bacteria and oil on your skin that could cause blackheads. After performing any strenuous activity, always shower. Remove excess oil from your face. If you have oily skin, use a topical product to absorb excess oil. It will not only remove oil from your face, but will also remove bacteria and dead skin that can cause blackheads. Do you know of any other day tricks to remove blackheads? Let us know in the comments below.